Intensive and extensive properties. Intensive properties. Intensive property is a property of matter that does not change as the amount of matter changes. An intensive property is a bulk property, meaning that it is a local physical property of a system that is independent of the system size or the amount of material in the system. If the property is unchanged by altering the sample size, it is an intensive property. Examples of intensive property are density, temperature, melting point, hardness, and color. The density, which is an intensive property of matter, is approximately equal to 1 gram per ml, whether you consider a drop of water or a swimming pool. But the mass, which is an extensive property, is different in both the cases. Extensive property. An extensive property is a physical quantity whose value is proportional to the size of the system it describes or to the quantity of matter in the system. For example, the mass of a sample is an extensive quantity. It depends on the amount of substance. Other examples are volume, amount of substance, energy, mass, heat capacity. Dividing one extensive property by another extensive property generally gives an intensive value. For example, mass, which is an extensive property, divided by volume, which too is an extensive property, gives us density, and density is intensive property. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your questions.